It's a final day in the Yorkshire Dales, and we had to get up for one last sunrise. And we're here at a place called Bolton Abbey. It's an old abbey that's kind of derelict and fallen apart. And there's beautiful mist everywhere. The sun has started rising. And we're gonna look for a nice composition. Check it out. Alright, I found my composition down here. I've got a lovely reflection of the abbey. I have these stepping stones that are kind of leading away, which is not the best thing, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my camera on a timer and I'm going to run on one of those stepping stones so I can have a human subject in the picture as well. And now I'm just waiting for the sun to rise a bit and start hitting the top of the abbey and get some of that nice golden light in the picture. I've also added a 2-stop graduated ND filter so I can mitigate some of the brightness of the sky. ISO 100, f11 so I can have a little bit of low exposure and smooth out the water. Polarizer is on, but just as a filter holder, so it's not turned, so I can get the reflections on the water. So we try to cross the stepping stones, and there's a stone missing there. So yeah, we aborted. Anyway, the light didn't happen the way we imagined it. It's still a beautiful morning. All the mist rolling everywhere. We're gonna go take a look inside the abbey before we go. Time for a nice long hike here. It was way too hot. I had to go topless. Enjoy. Out in the first round, I had enough. I hold on to you, this might be a bit rough. I should have seen that look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm outside. We're in the end game now. We've come all this way. Still have all that to go. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the consequences of it. Made it. We got time to make this right, but it's hard to keep falling down. Not many photographic opportunities up there, but the hike was really nice. And about halfway through, a light breeze came and helped us go the rest of the way. Who knew England could get so warm? Oh, probably gonna get burned. It was all worth it. When I look at you now, an adrenaline rush. We're always looking for something more. We're closer to the edge than never before. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm outside. It doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing. Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the
We're in a town called Ingleton
and there's some nice waterfalls here and cute houses, so we're gonna go explore. Kilometers done. That was a really enjoyable hike.
Miles.
Miles? 8 miles?
Yeah.
Jesus. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, that was longer than I thought it was then. Have to try this if you're in the area because it's only £7 and totally worth it. I mean, bring your swimming costumes as well because
It's warm.
it's warm.